In this part, we are going to talk about the default parameter values. So for example, sometimes if you remove this and we execute this, and then we say hello, and now you can see there are missing one required parameter. And this is because actually you have to pass the name to make it work. So it is better, sometimes it is better to have the default values. For example, this is name is equal to Tom. So if you are coming from other programming language such as JavaScript, you may already have a very similar syntax that you can pass the default value. So for example, if you accidentally remove or forget to add the name, it will have the default value and still keeping to saying hello Tom. And for example, if this one and divide sum num1 and num2, this is return num1 plus num2, and then if you add some here, and again this will have error. So this may be better to define the value is 0 first. So even you forgot to add any values, it will return the 0. So sometimes if you have some function, actually somebody do not have any values of this, then it will default getting the value is 0. So now you can also pass the sum, which is 2 and 4, then you will get 6 instead of 0. But remember, this is also the problem of the dynamical type language, because it did not define any variable type, so you can pass anything into it. For example, if you concatenate, if you pass the string type 2 and string type 4 accidentally, because sometimes the return value actually is string, not integer or floating values, you will get 24 because it just concatenate these two values because they are string. So you may need to check it whether this type is number or string before return the values.